Welcome to Seoul, a city where ancient traditions and futuristic innovation live side by side in perfect harmony. We begin our journey at Gyeongbokgung Palace, the heart of the Joseon dynasty, standing proud against the modern backdrop. Every detail here tells a story of royalty, craftsmanship, and centuries of history preserved for the world to see. Just a short walk away, the stone walls and tiled roofs of Bukchon Hanok village offer a quiet escape from the city's pace. It's a living museum where residents still call these beautiful traditional houses home today. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Now, we transition to the energy of Myeongdong, Seoul's premier shopping and street food destination. The aromas here are irresistible. From sweet pancakes to spicy rice cakes, the street food scene is a feast for the senses. Every corner brings a new flavor and a new discovery in this bustling urban playground. To find balance, locals head to Cheonggyecheon, an urban oasis running through the center of the business district. It's a testament to Seoul's commitment to nature within its concrete jungle. Nearby, the Dongdaemun Design Plaza showcases the city's obsession with cutting-edge design. Designed by Zaha Hadid, it looks like a silver spaceship has landed right in the middle of history. For the best view of the entire city, we make our way up toward Namsan Park. The tower stands as a beacon, visible from almost everywhere in the city. Thousands of locks here tell stories of love and promises made overlooking the skyline. From up here, you truly grasp the scale of this metropolis of 10 million people. Descending back down, we find ourselves in the charming alleys of Insadong. This is the place to find authentic Korean crafts, tea, and fine art. As the day winds down, the Han River becomes the city's living room. The Banpo Bridge Rainbow Fountain is a spectacular way to transition into Seoul's night. And of course, Seoul never truly sleeps. The night is just beginning in districts like Gangnam. In Itaewon, you'll find a global mix of cultures, food, and energy. Looking up at the Lotte World Tower, the tallest building in Korea, you feel the city's ambition. The night markets offer a different kind of magic, with flavors that only come alive after dark. Seoul at night is a sea of light, reflecting a city that is always moving, always growing. It's this contrast that makes Seoul so special, the old and the new, existing together. Thank you for joining us on part 1 of our walking tour. There is so much more to see. Stay tuned for part 2, where we dive deeper into the hidden gems of this incredible city. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.